Having analyzed the results of its activity for the last year, the management of our company decided to conduct an advertising campaign. As part of our marketing strategy, we plan to start packaging our popular product in individual polyethylene bags. We plan to package it by dosing a suspension of the cold medicine in sticks. The drug in the form of suspension is well and quickly absorbed by the body. We have been manufacturing pharmaceuticals for 20 years, and we are constantly mastering new products. Our company is a part of a large production association in the Altai territory. It was planned to start producing the drug in sticks in 5 months, so that we could conduct an advertising campaign in the shortest possible time. I, as a leading production preparation technologist, was instructed to find equipment that would ensure the packaging of the drug in sticks with the possibility of increasing the productivity of the machine. The main criteria of the search were, firstly, the equipment should be fully automated, bag feeding, seam welding, trimming. Secondly, the machine control should be simple and clear. The machine was planned to be located in the assembly and packing shop. The important condition was to provide the output of not less than 1000 bags per day, in one shift operation of the plant, and the possibility of its subsequent increase. It was planned to use thick sachets of 15 by 3 centimeters to produce the drug. As a technologist, I understand that at all stages of production, it is important to comply with the requirements for pharmaceuticals. The level of humidity, the temperature in the room. In pharmaceutical production, it is necessary to carry out analytical quality control of raw materials and finished products. We must use quality equipment to meet the requirements of the hygienic services. Therefore, I approached the choice of automatic equipment for filling the drug in sticks with all seriousness. I began the solution of this difficult problem with the most popular method, a search on the internet. On the recommendation of colleagues, the first thing I did was to look for European manufacturers. By myself, I chose 2 companies, one in Italy and one in the Netherlands. After sending a request to their email, 3 days later I received a reply from the Italian company, which said that they could not deliver equipment due to the suspension of its production. The company from the Netherlands wrote in the email that they do not work with CIS countries. The first step did not turn out to be a good one for me. I understood that there are no hopeless situations, so I continued to look for a solution. I found similar equipment for filling the drug into sticks from 3 Chinese manufacturers. I contacted them by phone. Managers of my chosen companies did not answer me. Can their machine seal seams? Cut the bags automatically? Will it provide an output of 1,000 bags per hour? When can I get a ready-made machine? To all of these questions I heard the phrase, "We'll do it." One company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. In the end, I came to the conclusion that I myself will not be able to choose the equipment for filling the sticks, and decided to turn to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment with our material, tell me about the terms of delivery. It was decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries from the very beginning, because often manufacturers from China have their own direct representatives. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, so I decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. After sending an email request to all of them, I didn't get any answer from 2 of them. One company warned me that they don't have their own adjuster, and that I would have to install the equipment myself. This option did not suit me. Only one manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me competent and constructive answers to my questions. I also liked the business-like approach of this specialist. The manager of this company was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the required capacity of the equipment, what material we use for packaging, what is the loading volume of a single stick. After a preliminary consultation over the phone, the specialist suggested automatic equipment for packing in sachets, packets, and sticks. I agreed on this option with the management of our company, and we signed a contract for the supply of the selected machine. During the whole manufacturing period, I received an email report on the readiness of my order. When the machine for filling in sticks was made, the manager sent a video of the equipment. My order was delivered within the time specified in the contract. The machine was made of stainless steel. The machine was multifunctional because it could also fill sachets. The sachets were filled with the drug from the dispenser, according to the parameters set on the control panel. The process of welding seams, trimming and removal from the working area was automatic. Within 2 weeks after receipt of the machine, we were able to install it, make adjustments and train the employee. As a result, we got the drug into production in the new sticky packaging in just 4 months. Perhaps I would not have got such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone the way of selecting the machine myself. Experience has shown that the decision to seek help from a professional in the choice of equipment for packaging in sachets and sticks was correct. After talking with a real professional, I got a little smarter myself, learned a lot, and am absolutely convinced that a good teacher is the one whose words and deeds don't differ. I checked this out on my own experience.